Looking for the perfect sidekick for your space? Say hello to the end table that does it all. Naomi Home presents the Peyton Rustic End Table. Whether it's your bedroom, living room, office, or even the kitchen, with a smooth gliding drawer and open shelf. It's perfect for devices, books, or decor. Upgrade your space with functionality and style because every room deserves the perfect piece. This rustic end table is available in various colors such as espresso, rustic brown, and distressed black. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.